In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get unrestricted on Wizz. So let's begin with it. What you need to do is, that may be an error that is facing on your phone because it is overloaded. So what you can do is go to your settings on your phone. And after that, go to apps. And here, search for the app Wizz. And after searching, just tap on it and go to storage. After that, here you can see ape and clear data and clear cache option. What you need to do is tap on clear cache and also tap on clear data, and all your data will be cleared. And after that, what you need to do is re-enter everything, re-log in on that app. Or if that is not working, you may just use one of the VPN downloaded from the Play Store and change the reason, and you will get unrestricted on Wizz that way. So in that way, you can get unrestricted on Wizz and use the app again. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.